Okay, we're ready for part 2. As I was telling you, this looks like our sound from last week where we talked about O says ooh, right? But double O can be sneaky, all right? O can also say ugh. So imagine like if you've got an older brother, sister, or cousin and they're playing around, play fighting with you, and they punch you in the stomach, right? And you go ugh, right? That's kind of the sound O can make. So O can say ooh, and it can say being punched in the stomach. So, like in book, right? Book, book. Okay, so examples: foot, right? Foot. Right, you try this one. Hood, like I put on my hood. All right, this one. Well, this is our example. Too easy. Book, nook. Remember, if you forget, you're like wooed, woo, because O says ooh sometimes, right? So wooed. It's not really a word I hear very much. Woo. Punch in the stomach. Would. There you go. Hook. Look. Okay, here are your words to spell. Remember, they're all going to have the O saying inside of the word. So your first word is good. Good. Pause the video if you need to. Grab a sheet of paper, your packet right in the corner of it or something. The word is good. Okay, so that should have been spelled G-O-O. Sorry, it's messy, y'all. It's a struggle. And D. G-O-O-D. I challenge you to write better than Miss Riddle. Okay, the next word is cook. Like I'm cooking some soup. Cook. First sound is a K sound. Double O. And K at the end. Cook. All right, next one is took. Which one of these two words does took sound like? Right, it sounds like cook. So I'm going to be able to use that last part, but what's the sound that changes from cook to took? Like I took it. Right, the T sound, right? So I can basically copy what I wrote from cook, and I have the word took, like I took a test, or they took my temperature. Okay, last word is shook. The thunder shook the house. Shook. Again, anytime that you don't want to see the answer yet, or you don't want to hear me give the answer, pause this video at any time. I know some of you or your brothers and sisters might want to like really do the hard work themselves and pause and like try to figure it out. And that might take you longer than I'm waiting. But please pause it, figure it out on your own, and then press play to see what the answers are. Okay, all right, last slide. So you know the drill. I'm going to read these sentences one time, and then I really want you to go back and say them again at least 3 times. Reading isn't just about getting a grade. Reading is about making sense of the world. And if you read, if you're figuring out new sounds, sometimes we read a little more slowly, and that's fine. But you want to get to the point where you can read fluidly or fluently. Just like I'm talking to you now, I'm not like stopping and saying my words slowly, right? I'm not speaking like that. I'm going to speak smoothly, and that's how we want to read. Okay, so number 1. I might identify where I see my like in book sound to help me. Stood. Okay. One day last week, I stood by some trees. All right, pause and repeat. Number 2, as I looked to the right, I saw a bug fly by the brook. Number 3, a finch snatched that bug and took it to her nest. There's my sound, took. Number 4, when her foot landed, it shook the thin branch. Number 5, what a good finch to bring food to her chicks. Okay, if you haven't paused and gone back to read it again. It doesn't do your brain any good just to listen to me read. When you're hearing me read, again, I'm reading it pretty fluently and smoothly. So if you need to pause